Hi there, this is Dr. Anderson from Natural Health Solutions. Did you know that one bad night of sleep or a stressful week can make your body temporarily insulin resistant? That means your cells stop responding to insulin properly and your blood sugar shoots up, even if your diet hasn't changed. Let's dive into why sleep and stress might be the hidden drivers of insulin resistance. When we sleep well, our body resets hormones and repairs cells. But if you cut your sleep short, even for a few nights, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin. Studies show that just 4 to 5 hours of sleep per night can reduce insulin sensitivity by up to 30%. Imagine eating the same meal, but suddenly your body struggles to handle the sugar, simply because you didn't sleep enough. It's like your metabolism is operating with one hand tied behind its back, all because you skimped on shut-eye. Think about two people eating identical meals. One had a solid 8 hours of restful sleep, while the other tossed and turned, managing only 5 hours. Their bodies will process that food completely differently. The well-rested person's insulin works efficiently, keeping blood sugar stable. But for the sleep-deprived individual, insulin struggles to do its job and blood sugar spikes unnecessarily high, all from the same exact food. Stress works in a similar way, but through a different mechanism. When you're under pressure, your body releases the hormone cortisol. It's like your internal alarm system, preparing you for action. Cortisol tells your liver to release extra sugar into the blood, an ancient survival mechanism to give you quick energy to fight or run. The problem is, in modern life, stress is constant. We're not sprinting away from predators, but our bodies don't know that. Cortisol stays high, sugar keeps flooding your bloodstream, and over time your cells stop listening to insulin. It's like they're wearing earplugs, ignoring insulin signals to take in that excess sugar. Chronic stress literally rewires your metabolism toward insulin resistance. Imagine your body as a busy city. Insulin is like traffic cops, directing sugar, the cars, off the streets your bloodstream, and into parking garages, your cells. Stress is like a constant stream of emergency vehicles, blaring sirens that drown out the traffic cops' whistles. Eventually, the whole system gets clogged and chaotic. And here's the kicker. Poor sleep increases stress hormones, and high stress makes it harder to sleep. It's a vicious cycle that quietly raises your risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Many people focus only on diet and exercise, but if sleep and stress are ignored, progress can stall. It's like trying to bail out a leaky boat without fixing the holes. You're reworking hard, but not addressing a major part of the problem. So what can you do to break this cycle and protect your insulin sensitivity? First, aim for 7 to 9 hours of consistent, quality sleep. Create a wind-down routine. Keep your room dark and cool. Think of it as creating the perfect environment for your body's nightly repair and reset. Your cells will thank you by staying more responsive to insulin. Next, manage stress with daily habits. Deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or even a 10-minute walk. These are just feel-good activities. They're powerful tools to lower cortisol and keep your metabolism running smoothly. It's like giving your body regular tune-ups to prevent bigger breakdowns. Avoid caffeine too late in the day and reduce screen time before bed. The blue light from devices can trick your brain into thinking it's daytime, disrupting your sleep-wake cycle. Small lifestyle changes here can be as powerful as medication in restoring insulin sensitivity. It's amazing how tweaking seemingly unrelated habits can have such a profound effect on your blood sugar control. Remember, sleep and stress aren't just side notes. They're central to how your body responds to insulin. By protecting your rest and calming your mind, you give your metabolism the reset it desperately needs. It's like hitting a refresh button on your body's operating system every single day. If you found this video helpful, check out my other episodes in this series. From toxic fat molecules called saccharides to how exercise acts as a natural insulin activator. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based insights. Your journey to better health is ongoing, and I'm here to guide you through the latest research and practical tips. Sweet dreams and stress-free days ahead. Your insulin sensitivity depends on it.